In this cold weather, nothing warms you up like a bowl of Nigerian pepper soup. Loaded with bold flavors, tender goat meat, and the perfect blend of spices. This easy and delicious recipe is exactly what you need to cozy up this winter. Are you ready to spice up your season? Join me, let's dive in. We start by cutting the pre-washed goat meat into bite sizes, trimming most of the visible fat. Rinse the cut goat meat and put in a pot. Add enough water to cover the meat up to about 2 inches. You may add more water as needed. Add 1 teaspoon chicken bouillon powder, 2 teaspoon pepper soup spice mix. You may buy this from an ethnic store or make your own. I have a video of our special pepper soup spice, and that is what I'm using. Add half a teaspoon of curry powder. This is optional, but I like the flavor. Half a teaspoon of dried thyme leaves, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and half a teaspoon of salt or to your taste. I am using kosher salt. Use what you have. If you want to know the secret to this perfect winter comfort food, stick around, keep watching, because this Nigerian pepper soup is about to become your go-to for cozy nights. Onions take pepper soup to another level, and Scotch bonnet pepper provide the warmth we need for this cold. So go ahead and blend 1 large onion and 2 Scotch bonnet peppers and add to the pot. I'll give full list of ingredients in the description box, so pay attention to get the details of this delicious pepper soup recipe. Cover the pot and cook until the meat becomes soft to your taste. The meat is fully cooked. You cannot imagine the aroma that fills my whole kitchen. I just wish you are here to taste this super deliciousness with me. I can't wait for you to try this recipe and enjoy the warming goodness of Nigerian pepper soup. Now that the meat is fully cooked, add fresh otazi leaves. You can also use dried otazi leaves. In the absence of that, use scent leaves or nchuang. You can use rosella leaves. You can also use mint leaves. Our super delicious Nigerian pepper soup is ready. With these bold flavors and simple ingredients, this recipe is perfect for any cold day. Go ahead and warm yourself up. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and share with your friends and family, please. If you tried this recipe, tell us how yours turned out. For more easy, delicious recipes, subscribe to our channel and stay updated with things flavorful. See you in the next video.